Hey guys, welcome to Brina Creations channel. My name is Oge and I'm reaching from Abuja, Nigeria. In today's video, we're going to be having a weekend hangout. Enjoy. What are you guys doing? Let's go inside. Yeah. Oh, come and shop here. Yeah. People need to go cool off and eat. Good afternoon.
She? How old is she?
My daughter? She's 12.
A year?
Eh?
She don't know what?
12 years. No, I mean the senior one.
Okay, she's a daughter.
Yes.
Okay.
It's my daughter.
Okay.
Big girl. 12 years old. Eh? Book online. How do I book online?
Okay, you log into splashwaterpark.com.
Okay, what's the difference between when I book online now?
If you are booking online, you pay 4,050 but if you are paying outside, it's 6,000
to get in. 4,000 to get in.
250 if you are booking online.
I mean to just enter. No food. Are you giving me food?
Swimming.
But he's not swimming.
Okay.
So what's going to happen?
There is a splash for you.
She's coming now.
Hey, God, do see what you have brought me to. I don't black budget like this. It's expensive. You just go in. It's not like there's any activity. What other activity does it? Is there? I'm coming, I'll do it for you. Hey, let me log in. Oh, wow. That's not say hi. Look at me. Yes, so excited. Okay. Yeah, okay. Finish your food. Oh, we didn't do a video before we started. I'll remove it. Baby girl, you want to try it? So this splash water park is not a bad place to be at all. I really enjoy being here, even though the hangout was more for my daughter because I didn't go with my house help and I was having to deal with holding my 2-year-old and my some month-old baby at the same time, and while she was catching her cruise. Okay, there are about 5 of these pools, swimming pools if I'm not mistaken, and there's also another splash, an area where water just splashes for younger kids. I couldn't release my 2-year-old to go because I didn't have somebody to help me hold my daughter, my baby, my toddler. I don't know. I didn't have somebody else to hold baby girl, so I didn't just bother to risk having him play around, because if there was anything that was going on, I needed to be close by to attend to him. So perhaps when I go with my house help or I go with my husband, something like that to be easier. But for the purpose of this video, that was, I just went alone. So there are a couple of swimming pools out there, and there's also places that people sit out where people can host guests. In fact, on the day we went, we had a birthday celebration for a young lady. I mean, it's a girl like 12 years old or 10 to 12 years old, and they had bought in food, salads, and all that for a price. So people are not allowed to bring in food, but you can pay. So they allow you bring food and drinks. Whereas they also have rice, they have chicken, they have chips and drinks and all of that. Yeah, the place is really not bad. Behind the place where I got the clothing that I had bought, thrift, they have people who fry spring rolls, samosa, chicken, beef, and all of that. You have people who do forgotten what it's called. We have popcorn. We have all kinds of snacks, and which we eventually got. I didn't get to do the video. Sorry about that. Maybe in subsequent videos I'll be doing more of these kinds of content. Let me know if you like this video so I can make more of it. And so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share with your friends and drop your comments below. I'll be seeing you guys in another video. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.